$100 million makeover coming for the East Bathhouse at Jones Beach. Originally built in 1929, it's been renovated and added to over the years, and now it's mostly unused. There are some park offices on the other side and some public restrooms, and they store some unused equipment around here. Your tax dollars hard at work. We're going to walk around and document what's here. I don't know the scope of the entire plan of what they're going to renovate. I love these old mosaics. I hope they don't get lost. If you came here by bus, this is where they would drop you off. Pay your ticket at the ticket booth to get in. It's been a long time since anything was painted here. I wonder how much lead is in all this paint. Well, I hope they fix these things up. Is anybody home? No. If you ever worked here, let me know what it was like in the comments. Can I see the pool from here? I think there used to be a clock up there at one point. The upper deck with a beautiful view of the ocean and a place to get out of the sun. And look, someone left the door open for us. How convenient. There's part of that clock mechanism. I'm too chicken to climb all the way up there. This is one of the locker room areas. I don't know if it's the men's or the ladies. I guess we're going to see what $100 million is going to do to this place. Thank you for watching. I come down here a lot during the summertime, and I will try to document the rest of the process. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks again.